Thank you to run. Yes, it's true. 15 times. Yes! Oh my... Considering 25 was the best one, we got higher than the medium, right? Over 7,400 winners. Let's go again. Welcome all. Whew. Whew. We're about to go wild with these 15Xs. Hey, Vince. Oh, snap. Vince McMahon himself. Thank you to run. Yes, it's true. 15X and 7X last two Pachinko. But like our maxes for them were like 20 and 25s. Yeah. Crazy Time 15X, that would be truly crazy. But do we have the skill? Do we have the luck for a 15X Crazy Time? Oh, yes. Oh, yes, we do. Yes, we do. 15X Crazy Time. I cannot believe this. 15X Crazy Time. 15X top slot. Yo. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, guys. Skip it up, people. Juice it up. 15X Crazy Time. So all the segments multiplied 15 times. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, what do we do? Guys, what do we do? Which one? Green, flapper, blue, yellow? Which arrow? Which one? Which one? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go green. Green, I'm going green. Jim is going green, I'm going green. Let's go. There's at least two of us. The max multiplier is 1,500. Mamma mia. Ladies and gentlemen, double on the green. 225 blue, 750 yellow, double on the green. Max multiplier is 3,000X. Nice squad, green squad. Come on, green. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen. 750, just like the yellow. Ooh, okay. Number 2. Well, yeah. Good luck with the new round, everyone. So, I don't know how many push-ups I did that, but how about you? How many you did that? I hope at least 10. At least 10. 10 and a half. Okay, 9 and a half, at least. Yes? No? 7X Crazy Time, by the way. Good luck. Come on, keep moving, keep moving. Woo! Light, good, pump it. Ooh. Go, people. 7X. Ding, ding. 7X, baby! 7X, baby! Ooh. I'm telling you, the secret is in there. Push-ups! Push-ups! Wow, 7X. Oh, can we get some doubles or triples there in this one as well? Oh man, that would be so nice. Okay, so the Fernanda is 7 so it's like green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, green, green, blue, yellow. Which gonna go for you if you're not Guys, let's go. So 700. Come on, double. Can get a double. $70X green, 105X yellow. So a 1,400.
4,400. Come on. Right there. Double. I'm getting hoping for a double. Go! Yes! Oh my God. 2,800. Yeah, 2,800. I almost failed my math actually, so yes, 2,800. Come on. Bump it. Hey!
Look so I'm looking at you, man. It's so tiny.
Come on, at least 1,000x. At least 1,000x. Up. Oh my dear. Oh my. What is the? Oh my. I need water. 5,600. Come on. Please. What is the 500? No! That is.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.